Hey, it's Tim from iRepair here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use emojis on your Mac. It's quite simple, it's based on this article. I'm going to put a link in the description. All you have to do is click these three commands. So on your keyboard, Control, Command, Spacebar. Boom, it pops up. And let's just go to a project that I'm working on. Let's add a seashell here. Let's go here, let's add a dice. Oh, cut out prints for dice immediately. There you go. And then if you want to favorite things, you can find all the emojis here, arrows and the rest, and then just add it to favorites. You can also search something up. Let me search up coffin. Is there a coffin emoji? Oh, nice. I'm gonna add that to favorites. Okay, that's pretty much how you use it. If you want to add it to your menu bar here, go Command Space, search up your system preferences, go to keyboard here, go to input sources, show input menu in menu bar. It's gonna be this one, show emojis and symbols. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. And really quickly, before I exit this video, let me get a nice thumbnail going here, you know what I mean? That's Control, Command Space. That's nice. Let's make it smaller.